If you're shopping for a ductless mini split, you've probably realized it's a jungle of specs out there. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy, and I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before I started crawling through attics and servicing the gear that keeps your family comfortable. I've seen what holds up in the field and what ends up in the scrap heap. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between two popular premium tier systems, the C&H MIA NG Series and the Danby DAS Series. When we talk ductless, we aren't worried about heavy steel cabinets or hail guards like we are with central air. We're looking at chassis durability and coil protection. The C&H MIA NG comes out swinging with specialized coated coils. In the field, that coating is your first line of defense against corrosion, especially if you live near the coast or in a high humidity area. The Danby DAS series, however, does not list a specialized coil coating in its technical data. Both units offer a compact footprint, but if you're mounting these where they'll face the elements, that C&H coating is a massive advantage for long-term reliability. On the electrical side, efficiency is king. The C&H MIA NG Series is rated at 21.7 SEER, while the Danby DAS Series sits just behind it at 21 SEER. Both of these are premium category units, meaning they use inverter technology with variable speed compressors and condenser fans. As a former electrician, I can tell you, this is the tech you want. Instead of a hard start that spikes your power bill, these systems ramp up and down smoothly. They're easier on your home's electrical panel and significantly quieter. The C&H has a slight edge in efficiency, which means more money stays in your pocket over the life of the unit. Are you looking at these for a garage, a guest suite, or a specific room that's always too hot? This is where the rubber meets the road. If a compressor fails, you want to know who is going to pay for it. The Danby DAS series offers a 5-year parts and 5-year compressor warranty. That's pretty standard for the budget-friendly market. However, C&H steps it up with a 5-year parts warranty and a 7-year compressor warranty. Neither of these models includes a no-hassle unit replacement, but those extra 2 years on the C&H compressor could save you thousands in a major failure. After looking at the data, I'm giving the win to the C&H MIA NG Series. It takes the lead with a higher 21.7 SEER rating, essential coated coils for corrosion resistance, and a longer 7-year compressor warranty. The Danby is a solid basic unit, but the C&H is built more like a pro-grade tool. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video.